If you want your forms to look more professional and match your brand, Tally makes customization really easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize a Tally form step by step. First, log into your Tally account and open the form you want to customize from your dashboard. Start by updating your form title and description. This helps users understand what the form is about right away. Tally lets you structure your form in blocks. You can rearrange questions, group sections, and make the form easier to read. You can add branding like your logo, cover image, and even change the form's appearance to match your business style. Next, adjust colors and themes to match your brand identity. Yeah, this makes your form look more professional and consistent. You can change how questions are displayed, such as multiple choice buttons, input fields, or drop-down layouts. If you want a smarter form, you can add logic to show or hide questions based on user answers. After submission, customize your thank you screen with a message, link, or next step for your users. Before publishing, preview your form to make sure everything looks clean and works smoothly on all devices. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish. Your customized Tally form is now ready to share, and that's how to customize a Tally form, so a well-designed form not only looks better, but also improves response rates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.